Manufacturing is incredibly diverse and spanning various industries such as aerospace, automotive, electronics, healthcare, and more. The ability to contribute to a wide range of applications make it a dynamic and exciting field.
New Dynamics is a tooling company that provides solutions to customers for overmolding electronics.
Manufacturing requires meticulous precision. The ability to design and create products with exact specifications showcases the precision engineering skills of manufacturers. This precision is crucial in producing high-quality goods. With a team of passionate experts, New Dynamics is at the forefront of innovation. From precision machining to molding and semiconductor production, they provide customizable solutions. Let's explore what sets New Dynamics apart from the others.
What you saw out in the shop is at NDC, we work on high tolerance, high precision molds for many industries, automotive, aerospace.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Everything that you touch in your day-to-day lives is involved in manufacturing of some sort.
Manufacturing produces tangible, physical goods. There's something inherently cool about seeing an idea transform into a real, touchable product.
A bit more about manufacturing. When I see something that I just bought, didn't think anything of it, now I buy something and I'm like, how was this made? What went into making it?
I guess the gratification of having hands-on and being part of it, part of the job.
At New Dynamics, innovation meets precision and